Welcome, viewers and subscribers. 6 adult gang and 17-year-old almost beat her to death. What you pray?
To post all these famous people, those 6 girls, I'm going to post their pics.
Yeah, guys, bless upon yourself if on the first time over here. So right away we are gonna go into the video. You see me? This girl is known as Kaylan, right? 17-year-old. I think them located in Kingston. You see me? And these are the 6 adults, cause my ears say them a mother themselves. You see me? So I don't know why, what could I like inspire them to do this what them do. So them beat the girl like ravagely, you see me? Yeah, savagely I should say. Leaving her kind of mess up. You see me? She in a hospital. And you know someone not gonna pretty up nothing. You see me? She in a hospital supposed to have brain damage. Something like so. She a 17-year-old, as me say. And the rest are individual, them are adult for her, like you see me in them 20s and 30s probably. You see me? So look out on the eye,
People like give them pussy class problem. You saw the Jamaicans no bias, no bumbo clat, you know. Oh no boy, Mecca did some batty man do sitting yesterday. You all scheme kill them. Mecca did so make batty people that have nothing to do with what go on yesterday. See if them they're not dead already. I'm not sure you are. Watch it now. Mama, you see how she, you know, me and the mother, you see when me catch all you, mama, when I don't beat your bumbuck, mama, me don't even want to rest my hand power, no. Me would have garlic me ratchet. And should be in a yellow blood clot hog throat. Look for you. The girl, you say the girl say, the girl look for you, never like how she look. Come, mama, you stay very fucking bad, mama. If the girl didn't look over this upon you, I be careful on the section no look good. None of that so be people count the section no look good. Who not beat people count the section no look good? Tell me say that you not do. You say, oh, me no like how she blood. Oh, she look for you. Hey, mama, me no like the color here where your bum buck like have your mama would look for you to you can beat me. You is such a pussy. You have to go. For some more, like all this your blood clot half dead cow, yeah. This your blood clot, you look like when kid mommy dead. You look like one bumbo clot big belly billy goat. Look one bumbo clot you shape, but do you mean if you go look on the section? On the section stink and no look bumbo clot good and mama look 100% alright. 100% buckle of pure fucking water. And you look like one bumbo clot scandal bag of pussy clot garbage, mama. Mama, your belly big, you with your big shit belly. Come beat me. Lick me. Touch me if you want. Touch me. Pussy well girl, come touch me. Be a good human. Be a nice fucking human, no big belly dirty girl. Big belly, pig belly girl. You dirty girl. You shape like the bottom part of pig's tail. You shape like the bottom part of... Go suck him. You wanna beat the little girl. Why? Cause stay very bad. The girl look over on a section. Uno good at froze. Cause uno look like on a beard. You want beard, mama. You all this your blood cut cockroach, yeah. The girl did have to look for you, cockroach. Look how you look, mama. You fucking ugly na bumbucklat, mama. You look like one bumbucklat, $20 bunglass time. Down a bumbucklat town, mama, like you dry up in a sun, mama. You look like when you lick one bumbucklat cockroach with your slippers and you mash out a bumbucklat ground, mama. Mama, you look like the little green sit where a jump on bumbucklat social media, mama. Mama, you look very fucking bad. Oh, no look when you kin up them blood clot face, mama. Mama, you look stink. Mama, you look stink, mama. Mama, you look very fucking stink. I'm with a bumbuckler look on you and kin up me. Lick me. You bumbuck, you shape like a 40 leg. You ain't not gonna lick me. Come lick me, dirty girl. See me say it there? Well, you more how you say it. You look like one bumbuckler 40 leg. You look like one cricket. You look like one bumbuckler cricket, mama. That's so when you see girl, I look for you, dirty girl, you stay bad. You stay bad, bitch. Bitch, you stay a bumbuckler bad good as. Nobody know why you. You know see your mama look refined. You look a young thing that wanna beat and so every man wanna fuck that. That they are the man them prize. The man them would want fuck that young nice and bumbleclad out there. My mother named Buckley. Fear mother named Buckley. Me don't know how far it go. I don't even want to know because if me ever find out say and my family wanna deal with so bad man, me I tell you the truth, man. Me go start fuck back bad man. I would have take off them blood clot girl clothes, yeah, and go fucking nearest bad man and me see if he come murder off the whole out one. Mama, all you will look so. You can't blame me, girl, for skin up your face for you. Dirty girl. Hey, bitch, you can't blood clot blame the fucking girl. The skin up her face for you. Dirty blood clot you. Look at you. Hey, mama, look at you. And the rest of you come on, girlfriend. Look at on this horse face one here. Mama's favor the bumbleclad donkey in a Shrek. Mama, who the fuck gonna look on your bumbleclad skin up their face, mama? You're ugly in a bumbleclad out your ear. Mama, who drop her? Come lick me. Because me there, so I bring you down, you know, mama. Ugly bumbleclad, girl. Me there, so I bring you down, thinking mouth. Come lick me. I beg you, pussy. When I done shoot me garlic knife in your bumbleclad, mama, you think I saw, mama, badness graduate, right? I know that's why me die and me not left me garlic ratchet, mama. Me make that sit down and bathe in a bumbleclad garlic water, mama, when you see the rusty and the ugly like me, no. When you see me bumbleclad ratchet in a ugly blood clot girl, you know. Mama, what is wrong with Shrek best friend? You ugly. The little girl, I go bumbleclad look on you. You're very fucking ugly, look at you. You can't see you want to beat somebody through then kid up the face over you and look for you a certain way. Mama, you look a certain way thinking, man. Your mouth look stink. You can't even open your mouth in a one pitch that you can't laugh with your bumbleclad teeth. They look like zip. I beg you, please. See me right there, so mama, I bet your pussy clot no come. Me say, mama, one time the garlic ratchet touch your pussy clot kin, you don't know. You don't know until you fucking fall in front of me like rain. Me say, mama, one time the blood clot garlic tip and me blade reach your bumbleclad spinal around underneath your armpit, mama, you fuck. Well, milk, I tell you, you too ugly for even boy you are involved in a fight. You don't see the reason why the girl look for you. You don't look like somebody? Look how you ugly. Look how your bumbleclad ugly. Ain't dirty woman, but you gonna beat up the woman. Why you gonna beat up the hot girl? Tell me the fuck you. Come in about that show me. Harry, tell me come me with the fuck you man want me already. Because that's not the case. You feel me I deal with? I want if a man want fuck you body. That's why no bad mind the girl and beat the girl. But the girl look how now we hot the girl hot. The blood clot girl hot. All this a blood clot chimp and a bumbleclad nail ya. Who this a big fat oversized bumbleclad what? You look like one time bicycle wheel punch a dirty girl all you up a top in the full suit of yellow. What a big bird. Who you stay bad? Who you stay very fucking bad man? So you can't touch your kin all you big fat sour girl. And one time you go over your yard, go lie down side of your keyless bumbleclad waste man in the neighborhood. Nobody know what? That time you go realize me bleed. Fuck up your kin, girl. You see, that's why we work with acid. We work with the buckler. Volume 40 if you get like you know. You see the buckler volume 40 if you don't like the big bumbleclad oversized big bird. Big bird. You bias. Who don't stay bad? Who don't stay fucking bad? I wanna beat the girl till she fucking on point. Anybody who skin up their face and pass on it, you think and dirty in a blood clot. Mama, look at you. How the fuck put on the wig up on your head? Mama wanna stay a bumbleclad bad. Look there, I look who have a lady pack. A donkey of all donkey to blood clot. All me need is a bumbleclad rope for tie round and a pussy clot neck, you know. Me say, mama, you see that look of girl there? I told she not bad, yeah? Me say, should have her garlic up ratchet. When that reach to your skin, you don't know. You don't fucking... Mama, look how you're ugly. You cannot beat up somebody for the tell us you're fucking ugly. Then mama come lick me. Mama beg you. But she your right song? Who must sing you right for teacher? Teacher go no you cocky fi suck off. Who no go on like so no want chat up and go on and read. Teacher say nah fuck no now name a boss no. Teacher go no song. You come in a media boy. You which one I line them you write in a Christmas? Which one of them you write in a me and them fuck? Not even that you couldn't write. You and him fuck. You and him fuck. You couldn't even write that, but you what kind of raya? Sheba, why you beat the people and pick the fuck? He goes a Sheba. You of all people. Why you take up yourself, your tacky gang? Go beat the people in Pitney. Oh no, sister, somebody if you take a two before and slap Sheba across the head corner right now. Right now, Sheba, if you get 1, 2 before cross your bumbo clot head, man. Mama, look how your bumbo clot ugly. You don't even have a stable hairstyle. You is the bumbo clot 2020 goat. I mean, greatest of all times. Fucking ugly. Look for you stay bad crew. Look at all of you. Boo-hoo, bumbleclad. What if you ever chest for the friendly bumbleclad ghost? When me see the whole gang out, it's like me see Grudge. It's like me see Jeepers Creepers. It's like me see Wrong Turn. What time I see y'all out? It's like me take a wrong turn in a bumbleclad Jamaica and buck up out. All out, from Sheba, go right bumbleclad down. Mama, what time I see you, Mama, make goated soup? When me see you,